Do you get that ache under your shoulder blade or maybe a really painful shoulder? Well, I'm going to give you a quick ergo reset that will help. When most people think of ergonomics, they think of adjusting their screen height and adjusting their chair, but it could actually be due to your placement of your keyboard and mouse. A zone that most people don't realize is that that keyboard and mouse should be used within the width of your shoulders. And that's easy to define by folding your arms and checking where your keyboard and mouse actually sits. If they're sitting within your elbows, then you're good. If they're not, then it might be time to reset your equipment. Try switching to a smaller keyboard or using a mouse on the left-hand side. So easy, a small adjustment, but it'll make a really big difference to your comfort as you work at a computer. If you would like other tips and tricks, make sure you follow and maybe download the stretch sheet that's in the notes below.